Alright. Jo, ito share ko lang, no. Ito yung Business Opportunity Forum ng InLife. Okay, so hindi na siya naka-PowerPoint, kumbaga picture na lang to, ni-screenshot ko lang. Para ma-share ko na sa iyo. Okay, winning brand, itong in Philippine Eagle. Yan, the first largest and mutual Filipino-owned life insurance company in the Philippines. Mutual, ibig sabihin, pag policy owner ka, you are also a part owner of the company, shareholder ka. Kaya, yun, makakatanggap ka rin ng mga dividends. Then, imagine, no, it is established since 1910. So, ilang taon na siya ngayon? 116 years sa November 25. 116 years, wow. Tsaka hindi siya tumigil, dire-diretso siya kahit anong gera nangyari, kudeta, dire-diretso yung kanyang pagbibigay ng serbisyo sa mga Pilipino. Ito, numbers that matter. 10.52 billion in gross benefits and claims payout nila last year. So, billion. But CCO, kita mo naman asset nila 158.9 or 160 billion in assets. So, kahit 15 times mag-claim ng mga tao, kaya-kaya nila bayaran. Okay, 44.88 billion in net worth and 471.72 billion in force business. Kumbaga, yun yung mga policy na hinahawakan ng InLife ngayon. Okay, ito mga subsidiaries ng InLife. Insular Life Management and Development 100%, Insular Healthcare 40%, Union Bank 12.42%, Insular Foundation 100%, Prime Venture 30%, Shell Pilipinas 16.45%. So, meron pala ng share ang InLife sa Shell at Union Bank. Okay, winning perks. Why join InLife? Number 1 is opportunity to help. Reach your goals while making a positive impact in other people's lives. So, habang tinutulungan natin yung mga kaibigan natin, dating office mates, dating business deal, na ma-insure sila, na ma-protect na yung family nila, na in the event na mga unforeseen events, protected sila, yung income nila protected. Okay, at the same time, kumikita ka din, diba? Financial freedom, yan, maganda dito kasi sa insurance, merong recurring income, so yan, nagpapatong-patong sila. So with that, minsan dahil may commission ka na, syempre nagbabayad sila palagi, pwede kang medyo relax lang na, pwede kang magbakasyon, pwede kang whatever you want to do, kasi medyo nakaka-LL tayo financially. Okay, yun ang pinamahirap talaga etong LL na to etong money na to Okay, work-life integration, pwede mong pagsabayin yung business and pleasure. Because you are your own boss. You manage your own time. Yan nga, minsan lang, syempre, may mga trainings tayo, may mga meetings. And still, since independent tayo, pwede tayo hindi umattend. Pero mas maganda tayo umattend dahil nga marami tayong matututunan that will benefit our clients. Chance to see the world. Kasi marami silang perks dito ng mga trip sa kung saan. Yun yung aking aking head na si Mr. Al San Pedro, katokayo ko. Yun, pupunta ng Copenhagen. Ayan, career growth. Yan. May mamaya pakita ko sa iyo yung mga career na pwedeng step ladder pataas. So, hindi porket financial advisor kayo ngayon, habang buhay ka na lang na ganun. And may mga opportunities, pwede kang maging unit manager, pwede kang district manager. So, depende sa magiging gusto natin, will and commitment natin. Okay, this is the winning formula. Simple lang. Inform, invite, inspire. Okay, we inform by educating Filipinos about the values of insurance as a vital tool for financial resilience and long-term security. Invite your family and friends to explore a rewarding career as financial advisors where they can make a positive impact on others' lives. And inspire, develop, and guide your team toward achieving success. Kasi kahit financial advisors tayo at meron kang mga na-recruit, naging FA din sila at directly recruit mo sila, you get an override from their commissions. Okay, another winning formula is major areas for financial planning. Para saan ba? That is to protect a person's income. Okay, para sa may income, di ba? To answer the basic needs, food, shelter, clothing. O, kaya pag malaki yung income, yung bahay mo mas malaki, pagkain mo mas masasarap, damit mo mas mamahalin. Pag income natin maliit lang, syempre basic lang. So basically, nabubuhay tayo dahil sa income. Now, pag wala tayong income, if something happens to the breadwinner, like accident, hospital confinement, dread disease, disability, and death, in life will provide the money that the family needs. Now, if nothing happens, yung perang dineposit ng policy holder, pwede magamit sa educational fund, sa retirement, bibili sila ng mga bahay, or create a recurring income. Pwede siya mag-business. Or actually, pwede iwan niya lang dun eh. And then, mag-create na siya ng interest eh. Di ba meron mga tinatawag ngayon na living on interest? So win-win siya. May mangyari din sa policy owner, panalo siya. Wala mangyari sa kanya, panalo pa rin siya. Okay, winning formula, traditional savings versus wealth assure plus. Okay. Now, kunya nagtatabi ka ng 5,000 per month. Sa isang taon, in 12 months, 60,000 pesos plus interest na magkano lang yung interest na yun, wala pang 1%. Now, something happens, na aksidente, nagkasakit, namatay, ang mawi-withdraw mo lang 60,000 pesos lang. Siyempre, hindi pa natin pinag-uusapan yan yung mga taxes. Okay, wala ka ng savings. Okay, now, kung sa in-life wealth assure plus, so yung 60,000 mo, plus interest, something happens due to accident, doble. Di ba yung double indemnity? Alam natin yun. Yung 600 niya maging 1.2 million. Okay, after withdrawal, your other savings assets are still intact. So, imagine. So, ano siya, yung savings dito, una, hindi mo siya kailangang matapos. Pangalawa, kung natapos mo siya, something happens, dodoblehin pa. Okay. Tumoble Okay, winning formula. Meet at least 10 prospects a week. Okay. Now, yung 10 prospects mo, kumuha ng 50,000 annual income. Yung commission mo is 65%. You get 30,500. Sa week 1, yan na nakuha mo, 30,500. Week 2, same din, isa pa rin. Week 3, week 4, So, sa isang buwan, you earned 130,000 pesos. Kikitain mo ba yan sa pagiging empleyado? Kikitain mo ba yan sa pagbebenta ng other things like kotse? Diba? So, ang winning formula is just invite friends to attend Win Life Business Opportunity Forum. Invite lang tayo. Kaya ginagawa ko sa'yo, invite kita. And then, yung first year commission nung ma-invite natin, we get 10%. So, kunyari 10 sila, nakabenta sila ng worth 650,000 times 10%, we get 65,000 pesos aside from the 130. So, meron tayong 195, almost 200. Okay, build and lead your team to success. Yan, of course, all of us will start as a financial advisor. Now, if we are doing well, pwede tayo ma-promote as associate unit manager. So, ito sa right side, and then you become unit manager, then district sales manager. Ngayon, kung advisor tayo, gusto natin ganung advisor lang, okay, financial advisor, maging rookie winner circle, then maging member tayo ng Club of Honors, then MDRT. So, may career path siya. So, challenging, exciting, something to drive us forward. Next step. Ayan. Pag naka-attend ka na, ayan, bibigyan ka ng Compass Super App. Watch out for an email from InLife to access the Compass Super App and activate your account. Then, click Join Now to begin your InLife journey. Okay, next, tatikan ng licensure exam. Ngayon, kung meron ka na, actually, ito binayaran ko 1,050. Ayan, so, dalawa kasi, yung traditional life, tsaka VUL, variable unit link, yun yung mga investment, heavy na insurance. Okay, so kailangan magkaroon tayo ng license na gano'n. Then step 3, training. Siyempre, para hindi natin misrepresent yung company, patulungan natin na maigi yung mga clients natin, we should attend and complete the training programs. Merong online, yung parang nakabase sa oras mo. Parang kung ganun oras mo siya matapos. Ako kasi ginagawa ko siya madalas alas 12 hanggang alas 3 eh. Ayun. Kumbaga, that's how I did it. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung schedule mo. So, yung pwedeng gano'n. Tapos, aside from that, meron din mga Zoom training. Ayun. Then, meron din mga face-to-face. Okay. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Okay, do something today that your future self will thank you for. Move forward na tayo. Move on na tayo. Kalimutan natin yung nakaraan natin. May mga pagkakamali tayo in the past, may mga pagsisisi, kalimutan natin yon. Draw a line, then, start something new. Man cannot discover new oceans unless he has the courage to lose sight of the shore. So, ayun yung sinasabi ko. Parang, kasi ang hirap pag may, tayo tawag na, excess baggage, may bit-bit pa tayo ng mga nakaraan natin. Parang okay, learn from that, move on, then, tingnan natin. Okay, so, yun lang. Thank you so much for listening. Quick video lang to. I hope maganda yung audio at you learn something today. Okay, let me know. DM me. Okay? If you have other friends who are interested. Alright. Adios.